Do you want email notifications from your NodeRED dashboard? Yes, it's possible, and we'll learn by the end of this video. So here you can see a message from NodeRED. So I have sent this email from the NodeRED. So this email node is not by default installed. You have to install this from the palette. Here, go manage palette, and you can install. I'll give you the name of this palette to install. So let's see what I have written. So in the inject, I am passing message.payload as a number. In the function node, I have written what I want to send in the message. So message.payload will be your main content body of the email. And if you write topic, that will be here. Let's try topic also. You can send topic from here. Message.topic as so what I have written here that A contains the message.payload. That is the order number. And here is the text. I have changed the payload because it will be the main content. So it writes, hi customer slash n takes new line. This is your order number and thanks for purchase. So if you want to write a integer or a number inside this text thing, so you write in this form, the dollar sign, the curly brackets, inside that the variable. Or you can directly write the number here if you have. Then return message. This is the format of writing email. So you can check my debug. It will be written as follows. And inside the email node, I have written to priya@isro.com and my server will be mail.isro.com. And you should remember that the outgoing port number for this is 25 and incoming that works on SMTP. For that, default port is 25, outgoing server. And incoming is IMAP. For that, the port number is 143. Authentication type none. So it sends from the NodeRED identity. Let's try it. And you should untick this. Use secure connection and TSL certifications. We are not checking this TSL certification. Done, deploy, and inject. So you see a new message where topic is the subject of the message and payload is the content of the message. Now let we can also send this message from the email ID of Sonam. That is also configured inside the Thunderbird. If you write basic authentication, will ask you for the user ID and password. So now you are receiving message from the ID of Sonam. This ID can be from different domain also. What I mean from that it doesn't always to be isro.com. It can be anything. Then I've also used the email read option where let's compare it what settings I have done. So here you should untick this SSL and TSL to never. Write your server that is same. And I have already explained that incoming port will be 143. Authentication type is basic, so I'm reading only Priya. If I set it to none, I may get all the messages which are available in Thunderbird. So I am getting Priya incoming inbox messages in the NodeRED. So whenever I send a message, I get also in the debug. You can see it is from the debug 67. So you see how amazing this is. And this email also works with your Gmail accounts. Just you need to do the two-step verification, which is a little risky. So this is a part of competition that based on a task you need to inform manager that this part is faulty, or generate a pop-up to maintenance team. So this is a part of the competition that you need to create these types of domain names, create their email account, and send them messages during a particular on a particular thing or particular time. So hope you understood this, and we'll have another lesson discussing the problems with this node, because sometimes the network doesn't connect and you are not able to mail from the NodeRED. So how to fix them, we'll discuss it later. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing. I'll see you in the next one.